Evacuation, and seeing that archway, I'm crying. What up, y'all? This is Tracy from Nerds Push, and we are at Finnegan's in Universal Studios, getting ready to walk in Halloween Horror Nights. We did not expect to be here on today, which is opening night, Friday, September 3rd, but we evacuated for Hurricane Ida and ended up in the area, so we canceled our original vacation and moved it today, and it's gonna be hella tight.
This is what you do. You go to Halloween Horror Nights and you get the mummy. That's how many mummies Tracy drank alone. Cause she's gonna go down. Who's gonna wear a finger? My finger?
Dude, your finger's so weird.
That's not your thumb.
Your finger looks like a witch's, it looks like the end of Gandalf's cane.
Let's see who's got a weirder finger. Her thumb?
Your finger, my guy. Do you see how wonky that thing looks?
Perfect.
I'm so happy right now.
We're going to our first house, which is gonna be Icons Captured, and it is storming. What's up, Jack? Look at you. Are you ready for some blood? Yeah. Are you ready for some chaos? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, it's pouring. It is legitimately, this is a Halloween Horror Nights first for me. Straight up poncho style. Flooding in our shoes. We went through 2 houses. We did Tooth Fairies and we did Icons. Sorry, I'm really distracted. It's wild out here. We're eating drinks right now. Kelly fell in the bathroom. I have never been to Halloween Horror Nights when it's this wet. I've never had to wear a poncho, but we're still having a good time. We're gonna continue on to the next house and let you guys know when we get there. Our third house, which is going to be Puppet Theater. So, like later on. Okay, so you just went through Puppet Theater. I have to say, I mean, maybe I'm a theater kid, so I have a biased opinion. That was a tight house.
It was by far the best one.
I like Puppet Theater though. As a theater kid, like I appreciated the sets. I thought they were really cool. I appreciated the moments where you're going in the green room and you're like having to move the costumes out of the way. I'm wet. There's a breach in my poncho. My poncho is broken.
Yeah, there's one thing that we can tell you if you're coming to Halloween Horror Nights is have a poncho ready.
We're all really wet. We're in line for Beetlejuice. Beetlegeist. It's been wild. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? We left Louisiana to get away from the rain. And we're in the rain. Basically, at this point, we have gone through all the original houses with the exception of Legendary Truth. So now we're gonna run through all the IPs, and at some point, we're gonna demolish pizza fries.
Perfect.
The best thing you can eat at Halloween Horror Nights, the staple, the delicacy, pizza fries. Now, if you haven't had pizza fries before, shame on you, you get these, they're delicious. You can get them at the kids zone in the back of the park. The nearest scare zone is Gorewood Forest over in City Park, and they're delicious. You can get them either with just pepperonis or you can get the sausage. We, of course, got the whole combo. So we're about to dig into these bad boys and hit up the Lagoon Show.
You ask, where are we, Jack? What is this place? I see the terror in your eyes and the panic on your face. This factory is all fun and games to extract the fear within. And now that you're all good and scared, a real carnage will begin! Perfect.
You put a mustache on this guy, it looks like Jonah Jameson.
Jonah Jameson, ladies and gentlemen.
Perfect. I don't want to listen to anything you have to say. Be gone from my sight. Perfect.